Next up comes the border. So a border is a line that goes around the content, like a frame around a photo. So the border property allows you to specify the width, style, and the color of the border. So the width is the thickness of the border, and you can set the value in pixels, or if you want you can use one of the following keywords here: the thin, medium, and thick. So the medium value is the default value of the width, border width. So what does the default value mean? Well, many properties in CSS have a default value and they don't have to be explicitly set. Like if the width of the border is not set, then the web browser will automatically assign the medium value for the border property. Next comes the style. So style means the design of the border, and you can use one of these three values: none means no style, dotted, and then solid. So lastly comes the color, which is the color of the border. So in these paragraphs over here, let's add some border. So in our first paragraph, border, let's use 6 pixels dotted red border. Save it. You can see, yes, we got our dotted 6 pixels red border. And when you write your styles, make sure you separate them with a space. Okay, in our container 2, let's give another border. Let's use thick, width, style of solid, give a space, and then solid, then again space, color black. Save it. You can see we got our thick solid black border. So next here, ten pixels, space, solid, color, let's give a blue color. Yeah. So next, let's see the border radius property. So borders always doesn't have to be perfectly square shaped. You can make the corners here. You can make all 4 corners of your border rounded using the border radius property. Like in this example over here, the border radius property is set to 30 pixels. So the border radius allows you to set the radius of your corners. You can use the pixels value or percentages. You can see all the examples here, how they have styled the border using percentage and pixels. So let's use the border radius property in our first div. Border radius, let's give 25 pixels. Save it. Yeah, you can see all the corners is rounded. So down here, border radius, let's use 30%. Save it. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Now you can also make your border perfectly circle. So let's see how we can do this. For that, let's insert an image down here. Image. I already have an image. Click. So I'm using this image. You can use any. So over here, let's select this image and For that, to give this image a perfect round circle border, for that we need to first write the width property. Sorry, not this. The width and the height property should be same. I'm giving 100 pixels and height of 100 pixels also. Keep the height and width same value. Then give the border of 8 pixels, solid green. Let's give a green color. Okay, this one's better. And to make your border perfectly round, give the border radius property of 50%. Border radius of 50%. Save it. You can see the border is perfectly circled, and we usually use this circle round border to create circular images. And make sure you set the width and height same value.